I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the email address associated with your Peacock TV account. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to peacocktv.com, and then sign into your account if prompted. Step 2. Click your profile icon on your Peacock TV home screen. You'll land on the Who's Watching screen. Step 3. Click Account. Your Peacock TV account screen is shown. Step 4. Select Settings in the menu along the top of this screen. Settings options associated with your Peacock TV account are displayed. Step 5. Navigate to the Email section and then click Update Email. You'll see a message that an email has been sent to your current email address. You'll need to open that email to continue. Step 6. Open the email account associated with your Peacock TV account and then open the email from Peacock with a subject line that says Update Your Email. Click Update Your Email in the body of that message. A browser window opens where you can update the email associated with your Peacock TV account. Step 7. Enter the new email address you want to be associated with your Peacock TV account and then click New Email. You'll see a message letting you know that an email has been sent to that account. Step 8. Open the new email account that you want to associate it with your Peacock account. Open the email asking you to verify your email address and then click Verify Your Email. You'll see a message that the email account associated with your Peacock account has successfully been updated. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.